Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I have to start working a little and check over the brakes and see the thing of the 98 Celica, because its brakes are not good on it. So if you're going to use it for test trying for my oldest boy, you have to fix this. I have to see over more things here. I found some rust that I have to fix too. So I'm not sure, but I have the parts for the brakes, so I can just start with that, so I'll be able to move it, because now I can't move it. Just take off the handbrake. I'm not sure if it even works. It looks like that. Big 18-inch wheels on it. Not sure if I like it. Be very interesting to see how the screws here is to open. This looks like only one to get off the caliper, so I'll start with that. Well, 12 millimeters. Just take this one off. See here, the disc, it just looks rusty, but on the top, but they are not, they're not finished. I got the rest of the system to work. I think it's the handbrake was locking on here. Just going to go and pick up a screwdriver. Then I picked up some screwdrivers. Try to take off this to get into the handbrake adjust system. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that. Take off this adaptive ring. Quite unnormal if this is not 14. Then I had 12 millimeter on the long bolt. Here I have Now I've taken off the rest of the brake system. I can't move this. Fine. Luckily I had this problem before. In the front there is 2 places for screws. Just find the right size. Yeah. A 30mm screw. Yeah, I have to see that I need to get some other tools because I didn't have the right tool to get pressure off this disc. Now I pressure it back again. I need to be able to get it off. And the screws I had was too short to pressure it all the way off, so I go into tomorrow. I go in and check at work if I have some 2 screws that I can put it instead. I need to get this. The handbrake is hanging on. The handbrake is locking on, so I just have to get in there and loosen up that shit. Let's see what's going on. Most likely I need some new parts there too. That's okay.